justice once for all. Justice will be delivered for them. That is our determination, is our goal. As you again see, in 2017, these same generals, perpetrators, who have killed thousands of our brothers, sisters, Rohingya, they are human beings. They can believe Muslim or Christians or Buddhists, doesn't matter. There's a freedom called freedom to believe. It's not for us to judge them where they belong. It's for them to decide what people to whom they belong to. It's their self-determination. But again, these same military generals, they rape thousands of Rohingya women, our sisters, and they push the children, the baby, to the sea, and now push them inhumanely to now Bangladesh, as the world watch the ethnic cleanses committed by these same military generals who have committed the crime against humanity in 1988, 1997, 2007, again repeat in 2017. We must make sure this cycle of atrocities not repeat again in our 21st century. It is the responsibility for all of us to stop it from happening again and again to our people in our country. As the people of Myanmar went to elections